Economy's tough. Today we're going to be wrenching a 2009 Lexus IS250. We're going to be changing the rear brakes, rotors, and pads. If we have time, we're going to also do the front brakes, pads, and rotors also.
Sometimes you just have to accept what life is throwing at you because you can't do anything about it.
Wow, these are really bad.
And abundance flows to me fast.
Then you pump the brake a couple of times. You go for a drive and hopefully you don't kill yourself. Like that. That's how you become a YouTube mechanic. Wait, in no way do I claim to know what I'm doing. For me, it's just quick reference and that's it. You have to torque everything, you have to do everything. It's just for quick reference so you can get by real quick. That's why I don't like wrenching. Drive it like a bat out of hell and you hit the brakes really hard. Just kidding. Nice cruise, testing the brakes in a closed circuit course. Looks like it worked. We're not gonna kill anybody today. Alright, well, if you're holding a camera, it will take you like about 45 minutes. But if you're not, maybe 15 minutes. Not bad. Alright, this time I'll have a better angle for the front brakes, but it's pretty much a similar process. This is a lot easier because there's no little, springs or things like that need to be, or tension clips that need to be attached. This is just straight up loosen some screws, compress the piston, and you're good to go. 14 for this one, and a size 17 for the cowboys. If it doesn't come out, this goes here until it pops out. That's it, and then you repeat the other side and you're all good to go. Well, here you are. Now I have to drive it like about 200 miles to get it smog ready. Hopefully it'll be ready for sale soon. Maybe we'll see it here. Don't forget to subscribe to Katana Motors.